Dreams do come true? Dreaming of owning a beautiful beach home? This beach house is ready for you. Walking distance from the world-renowned sugar sand beaches of Redington Shores, the floor plan provides open living, nice space and privacy for each of the bedrooms. The subtle cool tones give you the calming beach vibe every day of the week. Complete with luxury ceramic plank tile throughout, granite countertop, stainless steel appliances, plantation shutters and more. The fully fenced-in backyard provides additional space to store all your toys, kayak, boat, or jet ski. A large private patio allows privacy for grilling outdoors and entertaining guests after a relaxing day on the beach. Unique to this community only, your low-ho provides you with a private beach access. The Surfside Beach Club at 8280th Avenue West was donated to the subdivision in 1962. This beachfront private property dues are $30 per year. Fee includes private beach access, private parking, picnic tables, outdoor grill can be reserved, outdoor shower and cabana. No CDDs. Perfectly located to nearby restaurants, shops, and entertainment. Schedule a private showing, put in an offer today and be home in time for the holidays.